Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Belkys Barrios, your online personal trainer, and today we're going to show you or going to go through what is my monthly reset. This is something that I've been doing for a while now, and I have been seeing a lot of results when it comes to my fitness journey. Probably you don't know this, but I'm trying to lose body fat. So for me able to achieve my fitness goal, I really need to track, be organized, and plan and evaluate what I have done and what I will be doing in the future. So because we're going through a new month, now is the time for me to sit down, see my notes, see my fitness journal, and evaluate what are the things that I need to improve, organize what I need to do to achieve my goal, and also plan the actions that I will take in daily to achieve my goal. This is more like my resetting time that I really take the time to evaluate, and I hope that you really can take something from this video, that I will be sharing my reset process for a new month to achieve my fitness goals. Let's get into it. So what do I mean by reset? Let's put this out there first. Basically, by reset, I mean I really go through my journals, fitness journal, my apps, my tracking apps, and see what is been working and what has not been working for me. And then I make slightly more small modifications to my plan and strategy to be able to achieve my fat loss goal. I already set up my main goal, that is lose certain amount of fat by 3 months. And in base of that big goal, I structure small actions to take me to my big goal. So what I do is track myself, track my process, track my food diary as well, track what I am doing to achieve my goal. So by going through all my month, things that I've been feeling, things that I've been experimenting through that month, and evaluate what has been working and what has not been working, I can slightly modify what are those actions to improve and increase my chances to achieve my goal. Probably you're thinking, wow, Belkys, that's a lot of things you're doing. But the reason behind this is a process. It's a very good process for anyone that is trying to go through achieve their fitness goal, is because you really need to be very tactical. You really need to be very strategic. You really need to know yourself very well. And the best way to know what works for you, what is not working, how your body responds to certain foods, how do you feel when you're doing certain things regarding to your fitness journey, you will be having a best knowledge of yourself, and you will be overcoming the possible obstacles you will be facing to achieve your goal. So many people think that it's just fitness journey is only about exercising, dieting, and that's all. But to be able to achieve your goal, you really need to be very strategic with it. You cannot achieve your goal if you are not thinking about what you really are doing. Just doing things for doing it is really not going to be sustainable in the long run. That's why we have a lot of those yo-yo diets. That's why we have a lot of those diets that promise so fast result, because people are not patient enough to take the time to learn themselves, learn their body, learn what is good work for them, and then overcome obstacles to be able to sustain and maintain a healthy lifestyle. Because yes, fitness is not only about get ready for a short event that you want to fit in a dress, you want to get ready for summer. Fitness is a healthy lifestyle. It's a habit building journey, and you really need to know yourself. That's why tracking your progress, tracking how you feel, tracking your meals can be a very good alternative for you to figure it out what's working and what is not. So for me, I basically divide my my resetting process in 3 paths. First is the evaluation that I mentioned before. I go through all my notes, I go through all my journals, and I go through all my fitness workout plan, and I go through my fitness app, all the tools that I use to track. I go through that, and then from there I reorganize and see what is been working, what is not been working, how I felt doing certain things, and put in. But one thing that I want to make sure that you understand is not you're going to be every month you'll be changing all your plans. No, it's not about that. It's just about you choosing, taking away small things, putting small things in, and then still slightly modifying your plan, but not changing all drastically. Because let's be honest, probably you didn't like certain foods, probably you want to change your meal plan, probably you want to increase your calorie intake, but all will be according to your goals and needs. Then we're going to move to the planning actions, where I will be the steps that I will be taking daily to achieve my goal. As for example, my workout structure plan, my workout plan. I normally cannot work every day, so I normally divide my workout sessions in 3 days per week. But what I'm going to be doing in those 3 days per week, how I'm going to divide my workout, if I'm going to add another day, if I'm going to do this or that. So basically the plan is actions, daily actions that I will take to achieve my goals. Now I'm going to be showing you what are the tools that I use to be able to recollect the data that I need to make my evaluation. So I use Excel, in where I add all my information there. I add my weight, I add my goal, I add my BMR, my calorie intakes per week, per day, and then I write my menu, the menu that I will use per the week. Normally I like to write my menu weekly. So I take the Sundays to write down what I'm going to be eating. I change, I change my menu every week, or sometimes I change it every 2 weeks, but I always take into consideration that I'm trying to take a calorie intake by the end of the week. Probably you're asking yourself, what is much better? Calorie intake, track my calories or track my macros? To be honest with you, what works for me is my calorie intake. I only focus, I think I never track with macros because I don't feel comfortable counting all the time exactly the portions of food that I have to take. By mean, the macros that I have to take daily is too much math for me. So I'd rather count my calories and make sure that during my calories that I'm eating has enough nutrients, and also is a very whole foods. So macros, counting calories will depend on you, on your needs, and how do you feel. So you can experiment with both, or you can experiment with one and then another one, but your body or your conscious will let you know which one is best for you. For me, it's counting calories. So the app that I use to count my calories is called, if I can find it here, My Net Diary. Use these ones to able to count my calories. I use a weight to weigh my calories, my food, and then I add it to this, and it's automatically counting for me. I don't need to think too much, and I like it. And then I have also my phone notes that I add things that I've been feeling, why I feel so hungry, and those days that I really feel down because I don't. So all those feelings, things I write in my phone as a notes, and then write in there, and then I will go through it, and then I will evaluate what is happening there. So in my evaluation process, I discovered 2 things. One is that I need to increase my protein intake because I've been feeling hungry. So that means that I need to consume, either increase a little bit my calories or consume more protein with my meals. So probably I will do that this month. And also I discovered that I need to do more cardio. So I will increase in my cardio sessions. Those 2 things I detect, that I'm getting hungry, having some cravings, and as well that I need to increase my cardio. And to be able to do that, I will need to increase my protein intake or increase my calorie intake. So the way how I organize this is by as follow. Because I want to increase my I'm not going to share my calorie intake for you guys. I really don't want to, because it's something that works for me, and I don't want you to copy something that I am doing. I really would like you need to find out what it works for you. So I'm not sharing my calorie intake. So the way how I'm going to be organizing this will base on the following. I will increasing my weight training for 5 days a week. And I will be increasing my cardio sessions for 4 days a week. Probably I will be including some weight training with cardio session the same day. Maximum I will be doing 15 minutes. I'm not going to pass from that, but it will be HIIT cardio. So it will help me a lot. So that's the deal when it comes to organization. I decided to still keeping my weight training program. I'm just going to be adding another training techniques. Probably I will be applying this month time under tension and challenging myself more. And that's the organization part of it. I will have to see how this will be fitting with my new schedule, because I have a lot of work to do. I have to think what I'm going to be doing in the week in advance to be able to fit gym time there and not taking so long in the gym. So that's mean that I will have to plan in advance my workout sessions so I can maximize my time in the gym and not waste so much time, because I have a lot of work to do. This following month, university are starting soon, and also I'm doing my thesis work. So I'm doing a lot of things, and I really will not want to neglect my exercising because I really want to achieve my goal. So I will be having to plan every Sunday my week, very detailing, so I can follow that plan and see that I able to achieve my fitness goal. So for the planning process, I will have to leave this one here because I'm blank, because I will have to do it weekly. My schedule is all over the place, and I really don't want to promise something that I'm not going to be able to achieve if my schedule doesn't fit for it. So that's why it's a very good idea for you to plan your whole month, or think about what are the things you can do to achieve your goal in advance, and you can accommodate that in your weekly life. And this is something that you need to take into consideration. This is not stone rules. It's not that you must follow it. It's just a guide for you that is helping you to stay in path, stay accountable, and really will show you and make you feel that you're taking your journey very serious. And this is the important thing here, that you're taking this very serious. You're trying to achieve your goals. And it's not something that it will occur overnight. It's something that requires a lot of patience, discipline, dedication, accountability to be able to achieve it. So if you really want to have a sustainable, healthy lifestyle, if you really want to really stick to a plan in the long run, planning is the key. Intentional. You need to be intentional with your actions. If you're not intentional with it, it will be hard for you to stick it to the plan. So I think that's all that I have to share that I discovered so far. I don't think this video will be quite long, but I am so happy and excited to share with you how I structure my monthly fitness reset. I really hope that you find something educative here, and looking forward to seeing my next video. Everybody stay safe, stay care. Muchos besos, abrazos, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like this kind of content. Please also follow me on my social platforms. I will be leaving a playlist here with the 30 minutes to 40-minute workout sessions, very fast and easy for you to do. Don't take so much time. That's all that I have to say. I will stop talking. Muchos besos a todos. Muchas gracias, familia. Hasta pronto.